Alright, welcome back to Dash for Adventure. We're heading out of Chattanooga, headed west. Let's see where we get today. Hopefully we'll be visiting IKEA in Memphis today or tomorrow. Welcome to Vanlife, where there's a traffic jam around every corner. Yay! Well, there's the cause for the traffic jam. Hope everybody's okay. On the road again. Can't wait for the next traffic jam. Looked like it was an Amazon truck that had stalled out in the fast lane. Down, 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 down. About to cross Monteagle Mountain, headed west on 24. Watch for falling rock, they say. What are you doing over there?
Crocheting.
What are you crocheting? A blanket?
For Zoe.
For Zoe.
We gotta finish it.
So we're going out west for work, but why not have a little bit of relaxation and fun? We'll check out the sights while we're out there, so make sure and follow along. We're going to show you our favorite sights while we're out west. I think we're going to skip Nashville, take the bypass. Looks like the day is drawing to an end. Clouds are setting in, and I think the weather is calling for rain. Look, that's the Tennessee River, Kentucky Lake.
Kentucky Lake. That's my baby.
And it is getting darker, and we're just driving down the interstate. What do you do when you drive down the interstate? Do you enjoy it? Is it boring to you? Do you surf the internet? What do you do? We're in the Natchez Trace. We had dinner at Cracker Barrel. It was great. We're done for the day, so make sure you like and subscribe. Say goodnight to Georgie.